So we're at Mesa Spirit RV Resort, which is a Thousand Trails Encore resort and is a 55 plus community of mobile homes and RVs. This is a gated community and there's someone at the gate at all times. You do need a pass to get in, and then you also need your badges to get around the resort. And you can also see there are Wi-Fi extenders at the gatehouse. They're all over the park. This park has really good Wi-Fi. If I lived here full time, I might get my own, but for being here for a week, I could do video calls without an issue. This is site A24, and I'm starting with a really wide angle shot because our site is huge. It goes all the way from where our pod is to where that bus is, and we have two pads. It's a, I believe it's called a deluxe site, or maybe it's a premium site. I'm not quite sure. It's the only thing that was available to book, but it is a very large site. So we'll come on this side of our site. It is full hookups. So we have sewer, water, electric. We have cable, but we never set it up. This park does require you to have your hose elevated. So you will need like a stinky slinky or something of the sort to elevate it. Coming back here, it is 50 amp only. So you just need to make sure that you have a dog bone to get 30 amps. Then our water hookup right here. We are on gravel, but we are very level, so it wasn't an issue. We have this one picnic table on our site. So you can see we have this pad, which is where we've parked. And then there's a gravel pad in between. And then we have this whole second pad and patio over here that we could have done something with had we had anything to put on here. But if you're staying here long term, I could see like putting a gazebo or using this. Some people have sheds, or some people have like their side-by-sides and second cars and things like that. So lots of room at this site. And I'll come back through the patio. We do have one palm tree on our site here. And walking back out, we do have a mailbox. So if we were to stay here, we could get mail. I don't know what mail is in there right now. But yeah, this is our gigantic site at Mesa Spirit. So here's our neighbor's site, and you can see what he's done. They have like a gazebo, their golf cart, a little shed on the site. So they're really utilizing all of their space. And this is a huge RV park. We're in the very edge of it. We're in like A row, it's called. It goes into a big square. I believe there's like 1,600 sites here. So huge RV park, lots of amenities, lots of things to do, and lots of people within the RV park to like meet, and there's clubs and a whole social agenda here. So those are the pickleball courts, and our site is very close to them, and they start at like 8:30 in the morning, so you can hear the ball bouncing, but I mean, it's not really that loud. And you can see where our neighbors are at. We're a little bit far because of our site being so big. And then we've got neighbors across, or we would, but no one's there right now. And here's the other neighbors. Towards the front office, there's an activity board and a map. You can kind of see what's going on. There's pizza every Tuesday, there's movie night. A lot of the groups are still meeting. Like I know there was a ham radio meetup the other day, and a wine tasting, and there was a parade for Mardi Gras. So there's still some things going on, even though COVID has closed a lot of things. And at the front office, you can get ice. There's also these water dispensers throughout the park that you can get fresh drinking water. And there's a pop machine here too, as well as this might be where you would sign up for some activities if they were happening. These are temporary name tags that the resort gave us. You have to wear a name tag if you leave your site at this resort, and you definitely need it to get into any of the public areas like pickleball or the pools or anything. But it's kind of funny, people have some serious name tags here, like they create their own or maybe buy fancy ones, I don't know. But it's just really funny to me that you have to wear name tags wherever you go. And we found shuffleboard courts, and we've got the scoreboards and then 6 shuffleboard courts. And then just beyond the shuffleboard courts is one of the pools, and it's open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. And this pool area has a lot of chairs for lounging, a covered area, and then we've got a pool and spa. So this is one of the pool and spa areas. You can see it's a very large spa. A lot of people can fit in there. And the pool over here, it goes from about 3 feet to about 6 feet at the deep end here. And the pool is actually a very nice warm temperature today, and the spa is a wonderfully warm temperature as well. And this pool and spa area has an outdoor shower. This is the women's locker room that is attached to the pool and spa area. And there's showers and restrooms, including one very large shower area with seating. In those doors next to the pool is a gym, but I can't get into it from those doors. I have to go around the building, so we'll see if I can get in there. At the front of the pool and spa building, there's a little putter's course. This is the main pool area by the office, and there are 2 spas, or hot tubs, or whatever you want to call them, and then one large pool. This pool by the office goes from 3 feet to 7 feet deep. And then there's one more pool area just on the other side of the other pool I showed you, closer to the office, and it has 2 more spas and then a pool that goes from 3 to 6 feet deep. Also, there's barbecue grills out here on the patio, lots of patio seating, and then you can pick up orders from the restaurant here too. During non-COVID times, you could come and use the barbecues, and then there's a covered seating area near the pool here. This is the women's locker room that's attached to the pools by the offices. And some showers in here, some toilets, and a sink. And there's another shuffleboard court near the offices and near the 2 pool areas. And this is the billiards room, which has 9 pool tables and is actually open during COVID. So at the southwest corner of the RV park, we've got tennis and pickleball courts here, and you do need your badge to go to them, like they say. And there's also a dog park here that's quite large. There's dog parks all over the park, but this is one of the larger ones. Kind of swoops over there. And as we keep walking back, we've got more courts. I have no clue what this is. It's some type of a paved court with holes in it. I have no clue. But walking back, so there's bocce ball here, including some bleacher stands to watch the bocce ball game. And then we've got horseshoe pits in here, quite a few of them. Lots of horseshoe pits. And next to the horseshoe pits is a picnic area that's covered. There's a grill available here and picnic tables inside of the covered area. Each dog park has a different painted rock and a different name. This one is the Bark Park. And also they all have doggy bags and a little garbage can to throw the bags out in. On the northwest side of the park, there is a very small mini golf area here with a covered patio at it. And then right next to it, or I guess in front of it, is a dog park. It's one of the larger dog parks in the RV park. So this is one of the laundry rooms, and it's open from 7 to 10, and you need your name badge in order to get into the laundry room. So this laundry room, you can see, has a lot of washing machines, including one that's for pets only, kind of like that. And laundry is $1.75 for wash and $1.75 for drying. And there are also nice big Speed Queen washers in here. And there's even a scale in here if you want to weigh yourself with a med scale. And then there's some laundry carts and then a sink back here too. Here's another laundry room. This one is by the pool and spa and also has a vending machine inside of it. This laundry room has an outdoor area so you can hang your clothes on the line. And these are the pickleball courts at the front of the park, and there's also bike racks and golf cart parking. So this is a library, and it's currently open, but you have to make an appointment to come in just due to COVID. But it is here if you need it. And there are parcel lockers here, so you don't have to worry about like being in contact with people picking up your packages. You can just have them shipped right here.